Hey there, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make an Amapiano type beat from scratch in FL Studio using only stock plugins, and I'll be making it drawing inspiration from the Nigerian artist Shallipopi. So if you're new, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we'll do is set our tempo, and I'm going to come right here, come to type in value 113. Alright, so we have that, and next thing we're going to do is open our channel rack right here, and we're going to drag in some drum samples. And again, I'll be using the Amapiano resource pack, coming into the ultimate Amapiano drum kit that comes with the Amapiano resource pack, and I'm going to preview some drum samples. I'm going to come straight to the rim shots. I'm going to use this as well. Come to percussions and get a sound that I like. Then I'm going to play a simple pattern. Then I'm going to layer it with this snare right here like this. Then I'm going to have a percussion right here and another percussion right here. Then I'll dump it on the playlist for about 4 bars, and let's head on to shakers. Then reduce the volume and adjust the length. So after establishing a simple pattern, we're going to head straight into melodies. I'm going to add an empty pattern, come right here, and I'm going to come to, I can close the drum section for now. Then I'm going to come to the ambient and pad. In here, I can basically pick, several stock plugins. So let's make a pick. I'm going to open the piano roll. Then I'm going to change the key. I'm going to be working on the minor scale. I'm going to come to D. I'm going to be working on D minor today, okay? It doesn't matter if you know how to play piano or not. That's why these skills help you out. The skills on the FL Studio piano roll, it helps you out so that you don't make mistakes. Okay, so we have that going on. And then stretch it out for about 2 bars. Reduce the volume. They'll get a second sound just to layer it up. Reduce the volume a bit. Then we're going to create another note, but this time we'll go a bit higher, just to create the pads basically. And then I'm going to bring in the sound, and I'm going to just copy this guy, paste it in here. I'm going to create like a modification. I'm going to create some changes. I'm going to break this up first. Let's try a lower octave. Let's go lower again. Then reduce the volume. Just to create a simple melody inside of the pad. And then adding another layer of pad. This is more like an ambient melody than a pad this time. So let's Nice. I like that sound. Now let's add another sound. I'm going to create another pattern for a simple bass melody. Just going to extend this for a bit. And then come right here. Let's go to the bass presets. You know, typically basses are played on the lower octave, so make sure you work with the lower octave. To play like another bass, come right here. Stretch it out like this. Now let's layer it with another bass. Copy this, paste it here. That sounds good. So now let's add a log drum, because what we had all this while is just a bass, but now adding a log drum is going to really define it. So let's come to DXTEM presets. You know, it has all my favorite log drum preset styles. So you don't have to tweak too much. You just drag and drop and you get unique log drum sounds. I'm just going to come back to this bass and just copy, because I like the pattern. I don't think I'm going to play anything, you know, far from that. So just copy that and paste it here. Change the octave up a bit. Just spread that across. also going to create another pattern for a different type of bass I'm going to play. These days I like to use 808 in my Amapiano, so I'm going to come right here to this free 808 pack. I'll try to make it available for free download because you guys said in the last videos you can get it. So I'm going to try to make it available for free downloads, okay? I'm going to come to, yeah, spins, my favorite. To come right here. Just make sure you tweak it. And then, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And then change the stretch. And also make sure you enable cut itself so it doesn't run into each other. Then I'm going to turn off my other bass. Just highlight this and duplicate. Reduce the volume, it's quite loud. Now all of these bass will come in at different times. They won't all be playing, you know, at the same time. So some will come in the verse, some will come in the hook, okay? Some will come in different parts, okay? Then I just got this melody loop to add to it. It's more like a vocal chop just to add more character to the beat. So let's set the timing. Then we'll also come right here and adjust this. These are all sound effects. You can get them from Splice. I got them from Splice. I'm going to come right here, the timing. Set it to about 8 bars. Stretch. Let's pitch it down to about 900 cents. Then trim this out. Then let's zoom in and trim this also. Okay, that's sounding good. Right, so let's add some more elements to our drums. Come right here, because I feel like our drums is kind of getting lost. So I'm going to come right here. Let's add maybe a kick. Yeah, this. So just have this right here. Then let's have a snare. And then we'll just simply play the same pattern as before. Then let's add a snare roll, you know, like just to give it that typical Amapiano feel. Although it's not always necessary, but it does add that character. Go to the piano roll so that we can be more detailed with how we play the snare. Alright, so I'm done arranging the beats into intro, verses, and hooks. So let's hear how it sounds.
really loud.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
So if you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and tricks. Cheers.